We're going to start with our presentations from our major groups. Our major spin, students are selected by their application. Whenever they're selected into the Rogers Scholars Program, we send several forms for them to fill out and return. So it's first come, first served, their selection. They rate what major they want to be in, just list 1, 2, and 3, and then they're put in their majors by that group. We have 3 different majors: engineering, healthcare, and video production. Our engineering group is going to come up and tell you what they have learned this week. The engineering class was taught by the University of Kentucky and Western Kentucky University. These folks have prepared a great presentation to enjoy for you this evening.
Hello, I'm Cody Everson from Pulaski County.
Hi, I'm Jared Wesley from Pulaski County.
Hello, I'm Taylor Speaks from Pulaski County.
Hi, I'm Olivia Brown from Pulaski County.
Hello, I'm Carly Hall from Wolfe County.
Hi, I'm Sherry Henderson from Bath County.
Hello, I'm William Cox from Clinton County.
Hello, I'm Matthew Smith from Estill County.
Hi, I'm Annette Dangerfield from Greene County.
Hello, I'm Natalie Lamb from Lee County.
Hi, I'm Hunter Williams from Whitley County.
Hi, I'm Lauren Little from Leslie County. Hello, I'm Morgan Culver from Bell County. We are now going to start our presentation on what we learned this week. This week we had the privilege of learning about engineering. Many of you are wondering exactly what engineering is. Engineering, according to Merriam-Webster, is the application of science and mathematics by which the properties of matter and the sources of energy in the nature are made useful to the people. Basically, this means that engineers, well, they solve problems to help improve the life of the people.
Some of you may wonder what exactly engineers use day in and day out to get the job done. Engineers use math, science, experimental equipment, computers, along with practical judgment to solve problems. Strong skills in communication, teamwork, mathematics, and science also are necessary for engineers.
Well, why become an engineer? 5 reasons people usually become engineers are, well, financial rewards and job security, variety of career options, challenging work gives job satisfaction, technological and scientific discovery, and the number 1 reason you are a direct benefit to society.
There are many different types of engineers. Civil engineers work for the people. They build bridges, skyscrapers, dams, and highways, all of which many of us use every day. Mechanical engineers work with moving objects, and they mainly have jobs in manufacturing where they produce cars and other things like that. Another type of engineering is aeronautical and aerospace engineering, and they work with large companies such as NASA and Boeing, and they produce planes, shuttles, and satellites. Biomedical engineers work with engineering inside the body. They design new tools for surgery and develop equipment that better diagnose patients.
Chemical engineers deal with the process of converting raw materials into more useful forms, such as power plants. Agricultural engineers deal with farming and the earth. They may work with farmers to help produce more crops. Mining engineers deal with the process of extracting materials from the earth. They keep our mines safe. Computer and software engineers deal with the development of computers and new software. They may work with things such as robots as well.
On the first day of our engineering session, we were visited by David and Dr. Walcott of the University of Kentucky. They showed us how to construct a battery motor, small computers, and how to use the binary number system.
Our battery motor was made of a D battery, 2 paper clips, a rubber band, a magnet, and copper wire.
Let's see if I can get this to work.
our battery may have died, preventing the motor from working, but when we originally did it, we wrapped the wire around the battery and sanded the edges to where the magnets will attract the coil, making a small motor.
We also had the chance to build a small computer using a breadboard and wires. The computer was able to solve small math problems using a binary number system.
We had the opportunity to speak with two men from Western Kentucky University. Joel and Chris focused on the importance of our future education and emphasized on the significance of engineering in the real world.
During the WKU program, Joel and Chris introduced us to SolidWorks, a computer program designed to produce a virtual model of a three-dimensional object.
Later that day, we learned about motions by means of a high-tech strobe light that our instructors brought with them. By setting the strobe light to flash at exactly 1,793 flashes per minute, we were able to observe an electric sander as if it were standing still.
We also use a high-speed camera, and we learned that engineers use high-speed cameras to view objects in motion and materials.
This high-speed camera we used during at Western Kentucky shot at 1,200 frames a second.
You see it on like Mythbusters and other shows like that. It's kind of misleading because it makes it look really easy to do, but actually it took a pretty long time to get like the lighting and the angles set up perfect to make it work.
So without further ado, this is our video.
Your voice was all I heard, that I get what I deserve. So give me reason to prove me wrong, to wash this memory clean. Let the thoughts cross the distance in your eyes. Give me reason to fill this hole, connect the space between. Let it be enough.
Thank you.
As you can tell, we're in good hands with all of these future engineers in southern and eastern Kentucky. They do enjoy working with the high-speed camera, as you could tell by the video, and I must say that watching the balloons move around with all the water in there can make for some interesting images.